Here I see the coefficient of x squared isn't 1, so I try to call the rule that says split the middle terms. So I have to find two numbers that multiply by a times c. A times c here is 16 times 1 would be 16 and add up to 8. So P plus Q add up to 8. If I want to find two numbers, would be 4 and 4 that multiply to 16 and add up to 8. So I split the middle term to 4 and 4. So I say 16x to the power of 2 plus 4x plus 4x plus 1. Then for the second step, I have to get the first two terms and the second two terms with each other. For the first two terms, what's the common factor? The common factor would be 4x. So if I bring out 4x, what would be left for these terms would be 4x plus 1. Okay, let's go for the second one. Second two terms, what's the common factor between them? Only 1. So I bring out 1 and write it as it is 4x plus 1. Now I have two new terms. It's the first terms and it's the second term. What's the common factor between two terms? Yes, this parenthesis 4x plus 1. So I bring out 4x plus 1. Okay, 4x plus 1. Now what's left for the first term? 4x plus 1. Okay, so I have two identical terms. I can go for another way, that's a perfect square. That means if I get it as 4x to the power of 2, the middle term would be, and the third term is a perfect square, yes, 1 always. I can get it as 1 to the power of 2 would be a perfect square. The middle term would be 4x times 1 times 2. That means twice 4x times 1. So 4x. So I can say it would be 4x plus the third one to the power of 2. Okay, let's go for the second expression. Well, what's the, first of all, let me write it more simple. I have two identical terms here. So I subtract them. 4x squared minus 2x squared gives me 2x squared minus 2x. Now I have two terms. What's the common factor between two terms? Is 2x. So I bring out 2x. What would be left for the first one would be x. And how about the second terms would be negative 1. So I write it as a full factors.